Oh, you're gonna be in it? Oh, no. This is just me. This is whitewashing.
You match with the wall.
I match with the wall? I'm yellow!
Yeah, and the flower.
This is the flower. That's a Banana Republic card. You don't want anyone to see that, otherwise they'll steal it and no money will happen, Mom. That's just how it works. If you steal your card, you steal the person. The person ceases to exist.
On that note, I have to eat something.
Yes, Mom, you do. You need to get that.
Good food.
Good food, exactly. I like the
crusty look
that we're going for right now. Mom, the tea is hot.
Yeah, tea is supposed to be hot, but cool it down a little bit.
I think I'm just sensitive.
It is hot, that's a fact too. Ginger lemon tea.
Ginger lemon tea. Now that's something. I like that. I like the sound of that, Mom. I look like a ginger lemon. But they're not brown. I'm a brown child. Woo!
What should I make? I want to eat something. I'll make meat anyway.
Bye.